This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing tools and documenting the headset. This saves time and avoids errors. Remove ear cushions and battery so you don't stress cables. Use a Torx T6 and Phillips #00 to remove visible screws. Keep them organized in labeled groups. Once done, gently pry housing seams with a spudger while watching ribbon cables. Don't force plastic tabs. You do this to access internal boards and connectors safely. Make sure to photograph connector orientations so reassembly is straightforward. You now inspect internal components systematically. Trace ribbon cables, microphone jack, speaker leads, and the battery connector for broken traces or corrosion. If a speaker driver or mic boom is torn, replace it with OEM or compatible parts and test continuity with a multimeter. For loose joints, clean flux, apply a small dab of flux and resolder using a 0.5 mm tip to avoid bridging. Once you finish repairs, temporarily reconnect battery and speakers to bench test audio and mic function. You reassemble by reversing steps. Carefully seat ribbon cables and align housing tabs, then tighten screws until snug, don't over-tighten. Reinstall battery and ear cushions, then power on and run a firmware update using Steelseries Engine or GG to ensure firmware-level fixes. Pair the headset and perform audio, mic, and range checks. Test both wired and wireless modes. If problems persist, try a headset reset, a freshly charged battery, or a known good USB dongle as a key troubleshooting tip to isolate wireless faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.